It's a simple question, with an answer so massive, so mind-bending that our brains can barely comprehend it. Let's start small, with you, standing on Earth, a planet that feels huge when you fly across it. But Earth is just one of 8 planets orbiting our sun. And the sun? It's a giant. So big you could fit 1 million Earths inside it. But even our sun is small. Let me introduce you to UY Scuti, one of the largest known stars. It's over 1/700 times wider than the sun. If the sun were a marble, UY Scuti would be a beach ball the size of a stadium. But space isn't just about size, it's about scale. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy, a collection of hundreds of billions of stars. Not just dots in the sky, actual suns, each potentially with their own planets, moons, and maybe life. And guess what? There are 0.2 trillion galaxies we can observe. That means trillions of stars, and more planets than grains of sand on Earth. Stop for a moment. Try to imagine that. Now throw in something darker, something terrifying. Black holes. These invisible monsters are created when stars collapse under their own gravity. They don't just pull things in, they erase them. Not even light can escape. And at the center of almost every galaxy, including ours, is a supermassive black hole. The one in the Milky Way is 4 million times the mass of our sun. Yet it hides in the dark, silent, patient. Now let's zoom out again. From the moon to Mars, from the sun to Jupiter, from our solar system to the Orion arm of the Milky Way. And beyond that, endless darkness sprinkled with light. We used to think the universe was just our galaxy. Then we found billions more. Then trillions. We sent telescopes. First Hubble, then James Webb. And still, the deeper we look, the more we find. Stars being born, stars dying. Light traveling for the 13 billion years to reach us. That's light moving at 300,000 kilometers per second for 13 billion years. And yet, that's not the edge. The universe is still expanding, faster and faster. Space itself is stretching. Galaxies are being pulled apart. One day, the stars we see now will fade, not because they die, but because they'll be too far away for their light to ever reach us again. So how big is space? It's infinite. Or at least we think it might be. It has no known edge, no center, no map. It defies our ideas of beginning and end. Some scientists believe there could be multiple universes, a multiverse. Others think space curves in on itself like the surface of a sphere, endlessly looping. And you? You're here, on a tiny blue rock, orbiting one ordinary star, in one spiral galaxy, in a sea of trillions. But maybe that's not scary. Maybe it's beautiful. Because in all that darkness, we're the part that asks questions. We wonder. We dream. We reach. So how big is space? Big enough to make us feel small, but full of enough mystery to make us feel alive. This is why. Subscribe for more deep dives into the questions you never stopped asking. And comment below, what should we answer next?